Okay, so this is going to be the start of lesson 5.7, and this is about complex fractions. Okay, so a complex fraction is if its numerator or denominator has one or more fractions or powers with negative exponents. So examples of complex fractions be like 7 over 12 minus 1 over 6 all over 2 plus 4 over 9, or something like x to the negative 1 minus y to the negative 1 over x to the negative 2 minus y to the negative 2. Those are examples of complex fractions. We have a method, two different methods. Okay, to do it, we've got the first method, method 1, that says simplify the numerator and denominator separately. Simplify the numerator and denominator separately. Then simplify. Then simplify. Or divide, in this case. We'll divide at the end. Then divide. We'll look at that. Or method 2. And that is multiply the numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator by the LCD of all of the fractions appearing in the numerator and denominator of all fractions. Okay, so let's look at some examples that go with this. All right, example 1. I have the expression, the same one we had before, 7 over 12 minus 1 over 6 over 2 plus 4 over 9. All right, so the idea is to get it in one, do one way or the other. I'm going to get common denominators there on the top and the bottom. I'm going to do that, so I'm going to do it that way. Okay, so that's 7/12 minus 2/12 over 18/9 plus 4/9. Okay, so I can take that another step, and that gives me 5/12 over 22/9. Now, this is the equivalent to saying 5/12 divided by 22/9, which means that's 5/12 times 9/22, and I can simplify stuff here. 12 and the 9, that gives me a 3 and a 4, and that's the only thing I can do, so I get 15 over 88, and that's your answer for that. Okay, that's one way to do it. Okay, another way to do it, okay, so this is a different way, would be to take 7 over 12 minus 1 over 6, 2 plus 4 over 9. That would be to take it, and the LCD of 12 and 6 and 9 is 36. All right, and I do that, and I get things that work out for us a little bit better. Okay, I get 36 times 7/12 means the 36 and the 12 reduce, and I get 3 times 7, which is 21. Okay, here the 36, 6 divided by, or 6 goes into 36 6 times, so I get minus 6. Okay, look at this stuff here. That's 36 times 2. That's 72. And this stuff here, 36 divided by 9 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So I'll get plus 16, which gives me 15 over 88. Okay, that's one way to do it. I'll work a couple of different examples in the next slide.